You're driving down the road at a safe speed, and all of a sudden, behind you or on the other direction or from across the street, two cars or three cars are racing, and they're going 90 miles an hour, 100 miles an hour, faster than that. And one of them smashes into you and you're injured. What do you do? I'm Eli Castranova. I'm an attorney in Southern California, and I represent people that are injured because of street racing incidents. Now, the number of street racing incidents and street takeovers is epidemic here in California, and I'm sure throughout the United States. And what happens is very often innocent people are hurt or killed when two fools decide to street race. It can be an arranged situation where they decide we're going to be on this street at a certain time, or it can just be a spur of the moment where someone looks at somebody else and guns their engine, and all of a sudden off they go at a high rate of speed on surface streets. I have represented many people that have been injured in street racing accidents, and I want to tell you about one of them. I have a client who came into my office about a year ago, and he was driving in the city of San Fernando here in Southern California. And he was at an intersection. He had a green light. He stopped, and then he started to make a left-hand turn. Well, all of a sudden, in the other direction, two cars coming at 100 miles an hour smashed into him and turned his car over, and he was injured. Now, even though you can say it's an intentional act, the fact that they were racing was intentional. Their driving was negligent. So their insurance companies decided to accept coverage. But they tried to take the position that my client was negligent because he made a left turn and they had the right of way because they were on a through street. Well, of course, this is an absurd position to take. My client was driving safely, was making a left-hand turn. These cars were driving at 100 miles an hour. My client told me that when he first saw these cars, he saw their lights because this was happening in the evening, and he estimated that they were about a block away. You cannot tell that these cars are traveling at 100 miles per hour when they're a block away. The situation is such that my client could not have cleared the intersection in that second because of the speed of the other drivers, not because of my client's negligence. My client was being careful.
Hi there. I am an AI avatar reading a real Google review by Jordy L. Simply the best lawyer and got me a very good settlement. I'd recommend him to anyone. I know, thank you.
I can't say enough good things about Eli. Having worked for numerous attorneys, he is my favorite. He has handled numerous cases for my family, and I from personal injury to medical malpractice. He has overexceeded our expectations every time. We just broke the record recently on a hit and run I was involved in, settling the case in 3.5 weeks for more than I expected. Thanks, Elia. The Doral family.
Mr. Castranova was nothing less than a blessing. Going to court in pain is stressful beyond belief. But not only did he ensure I was comfortable, he did everything in his power to fight for my case. Best attorney around. Hands down. Thanks for your review, Lionel Coleman. It's appreciated.
It went very well with the lawyer. I highly recommend him 100%. All the staff are very friendly and they help you with any questions. Thanks for your review, Luis Enrique Lopez. It's appreciated.